Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my Graphic 45 Brand Ambassador Design Team package with you. But before we get right down to it, I do want to address several of you have asked me questions regarding the Graphic 45 dies, and that would be the tag dies in particular. So let me pull this up right here real quick. Now, these are the Graphic 45 tag dies that they have, and as you can see, they have the large one, the medium one, the square one, and the small one. These are all made to fit on their Graphic 45 tags. Okay, so basically, whenever you're building a mini album or a card or something, or even a tag flip book, you can use your Graphic 45 tags, and with your dies, alrighty, you can die cut your paper to be placed on top of your die, on top of your tag, on top of your tag, and as you can see, you get that perfect 1/8 of an inch space right along here, and it fits perfectly around that little the eyelet area. And so as far as the 1/8 of an inch and the curves, Graphic 45 has already taken care of that for you in your tag dies. So yeah. And thank you for asking that question, because a lot of you said, well, I have the tag dies, so how do I get this look that you're doing? And I tell you, I've been a Graphic 45 brand ambassador for a few months now, and one thing or one tip that I can share with you that I go through a lot of are the tags, okay? And in this selection, because we do get to ask what we are in need of, I asked for a ton of tags in different sizes, because as a Graphic 45 ambassador, I get to do several different projects for you, and I share tutorials with you and everything, and I have found that I go through a ton of these. So there's a tip for you if you're looking to stock up on your Graphic 45 supplies. Go ahead and stock up on your tags, just several different tags, because I tell you, once you start making your mini albums, your tag albums, and I've even done tutorials where you can use these on card making, you're going to go through a lot of these. So always make sure that you have a lot of your Graphic 45 different size tags on hand. That way you'll be able to use them with your dies. So I just wanted to point that out. And let me put this to the side. So as you can see, I have ordered a ton of tags, and the tags are available in all the 4 sizes. You get your square tags, and these are also available in the craft color and the cream color. So I went ahead and got 2 of these, and I also got a ivory color in this size tag, and 2, I believe I got 2 of the medium size tags. And yeah, these are called the regular black tag albums. And when you get the tags like this, they're all going to come with one of these. That way, if you want to make a mini album out of it, there it is, okay? But yeah, you can use these any which way that you want to, but I tell you, I'm stocking up on these because this is what I go through the most, okay? And I also got 2 of these, and these also come with the album rings, and these are going to be your large tags that are offered in the die, okay? So yeah, so I went ahead and got some tags, and this time I also got a couple of, I guess you call them door pulls. I was going to say drawer pulls, but I bet these would make beautiful drawer pulls as well. But I went ahead and got me 2 sets, and yes, because I am planning on making some dimensional box and mini album covers with these. So that's what these are for. And another thing that I saw that I can quickly go through as well when making mini albums or journals or whatnot are these. These are the policy envelopes. So I got them in this color and I got me 2 packs. So this is what I'm finding that I'm going through a ton of these. I went ahead and I think I only have 1 left from my last design team package of the smaller ATC envelopes, because what I love about these is that as you're making your mini albums, you can use these on pages. You can use this as a page when you're making a journal even, and you can even use these on your planners for those of you who are planner girls out there. And so yeah, these are good to have on hand always, these. And I'm so excited because I got this it's a 5.5 by 5.5 chipboard mini album. It's called a square tag and pocket album. And so let's go ahead and open it right here so that you could see what it looks like on the inside. When making mini albums, if you keep a few of the Graphic 45 mini album bases on hand, your scrapbooking will go a heck of a lot faster, simply because they have done all the work for you already. So it's always a good thing to keep a few of these on hand, and these are available in the black, obviously, like the ones that I have here. They are available in the ivory color, and they're also available in the craft color, which is this one right here. So this is the 5.5 by 5.5 tag and pocket album, and it goes like so. And as you can see, it's very well made. So you're going to have a page like so, and see, there we go. All the work has already been done for you. So here's another pocket, and here's a tag and another pocket, and I just love this. And as you can see, you're going to have a, I think that's a 1/2 inch gusset, so you can make your mini album dimensional if you wish. So in all, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 signatures. I want to call them signatures because in reality, each signature is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 pages. So we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 6. We're looking at 36 pages in all, and that is plenty of possibilities for flips and folds if you want to add them to your mini album, or just a lot of real estate for your pictures. And I love how they do the 1/2 inch gusset, so that way it leaves plenty of room for anything that you would like to add. And like I said before, they're well made. They are made out of chipboard. See, made out of chipboard, and yeah, they do all the work for you. So I really love their pre-made mini albums. Let me go ahead and make sure that there's nothing here, and I'm going to get rid of this right now. Okay, so we have the mini album, and we also have the rectangular tag and pocket albums, and pretty much this is made the same way as this. I have opened one of these in a previous Graphic 45 DT reveal, package reveal, so I guess I will go ahead and link you to my other Graphic 45 design team packages in the description area below and right up there. That way you get to see how their mini albums are and so forth. So it's real exciting to receive all this, but now let's get on to the paper collections, because I have something so spectacular to share with you. Okay, first of all, I apologize for the glare. I am so sorry. I know the glare is really bad, so let me see if I can hold it up this way. That way you can see a lot better. So I have the new Graphic 45 Christmas Magic paper collection, and oh my gosh, I just love this. I love the intensity of the colors, and it's just in time for some holiday crafting, and I can't wait to start working with this. And so in this collection, you're going to get your papers, and you're going to get also a sticker sheet. Look at that. Aren't those beautiful? I love it. I love the happy colors and everything. So I can't wait to get started on this. And what I ordered as well was the Graphic 45 cardstock die cuts, because this is another thing that I find that I'm using a lot of in my projects, and this is perfect for like tiny little tuck spots and pockets and everything. So whenever you're ordering your Graphic 45 paper pads, go ahead and see about getting yourself a couple of these, because you will use them. You will use them. So I also got the Graphic 45 Collector's Edition of Little Darlings. I am so looking forward to working with this. I love it. I love, love, love it. And I thought that I already had this collection, but actually I don't. And what I love about this is that you can easily shabby chic this, and yeah, I'm looking forward to making a mini album for a friend of mine who will be having a baby soon. So there you go. And in this collection, you not only do you get the papers, the beautiful papers, but you also get a sticker sheet and the chipboard pieces. And oh my gosh, when I posted this on Instagram, people went gaga over this. They were like, yes! And they have brought back the Halloween in Wonderland collection. It is available in a collector's edition, which means not only are you going to get the double-sided sheets, but you also get the sticker sheet and the chipboard pieces. So I am so looking forward to working with this. And last but not least, I'm sure that you took a peek here. Look what they reissued. Oh my gosh, I was like, when I saw the email, okay, that they're re-releasing this, my jaw just dropped to the floor. Because I was like, yes, yes, oh my gosh, and I can't wait to play with this. I'm like, oh, you know what? I told a friend of mine, when you get one of these, go ahead and get two, because one pack is going to be for you to hoard, and the other one is going to be for you to play with. These papers are so beautiful, and I tell you, you're going to want to hoard at least one pack. And so, yeah, I will go ahead and leave you the links to Graphic 45 and these items in the description area below, and hopefully you will get to order one of these and perhaps one of these and one of the other ones before they sell out, because I tell you, oh my gosh, when I posted this on Instagram, people just went wild. They were like, yes! So I thank you all so very much for watching. I'm looking forward to making some projects and tutorials for you, and I will be seeing you once again real soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.